Hello and welcome to our Work Vitelli game project. Uh, this is a game that involves manipulating user interfaces before the time runs out to make this little old lady here happy. So first, let me just give you a demo of this. All right, so basically what we have here is we have this old lady. She wants us to work the remote for her. We can do some zany stuff and make the buttons on here kind of crazy. I have two different sort of mini games going on here. One where you have to slide the volume to how she likes it, and the other one which is to go to the correct channel. Yeah. And so let's start you off with how to set up your new project. So I'm going to do a new project, and I'm going to call it Work Vitelli. I'm going to make it a 2D project, and I'm going to create a project. I forgot to clear out my old folder, so I just did that. All right. As it loads, so what you'll do to set up the project is, if you're in my class, you're going to receive an asset package. And what you'll do is immediately when you start, you'll go assets, you'll import a new package, a custom package, and you go and navigate to wherever you save the asset package. So mine is just saved on the desktop, so I'm just going to open that one and import everything. I'm going to do it this way instead of last time we did, I just gave you the project folder, but some of you were having some problems with the account, so hopefully, or with your collaboration account. So hopefully doing it this way, creating your own new project and just importing assets will remedy that a little bit. So it's going to take a little while to load. I'm going to pause. Now that that's loaded, I think the first step we're going to do is we're going to create a menu screen before we move on to the main game. So I'm going to go File, Save, Save Scene As, and I'm going to call this Top Menu. I'll save that. And I'm going to try to keep organized. I'm going to create a Scenes folder. I'm going to move that into the Scenes folder. All right, and you'll notice I have like saved my sort of personalization settings from before, but you will need to make sure that we are working. This is a mobile game, so we need to work in a mobile aspect ratio, especially working with canvases. So I would go, if you don't have this setting already, I would hit the plus button. I would do a fixed resolution. You can label it whatever you want. And then I will type, I want a width of 1080, and then a height of 1920. hit OK. You don't have to label it if you don't want to. I already have this saved, so I'm just going to delete that one. All right, and why don't we, since we made a scene and we saved it already, initialize our changes, start now, and we can start collaborating and say initial project setup. We can name it as initial setup and publish that. Great, that's a great working off point. All right, so in the next video, we're going to create our top menu scene.